Replacing packing-type pump seals. Remove the packing nut. Remove the existing or worn packing using a pick. Avoid damaging the shaft or housing surfaces. After all rings are removed, check the shaft and stuffing box for damage or excessive wear. Count the number of packing rings removed and reinstall the same number of rings. To cut the rings to the correct length, use a wooden mandrel of the same diameter as the pump shaft. Wrap the packing material tightly around the mandrel. Material should be tight but not stretched. The number of wraps should be one more than the number of replacement packing rings needed. Use a utility knife to cut through all of the wraps. Butt joints are commonly used for pump applications. You will have an individual piece of the correct length from each wrap of the mandrel. The packing rings should be inserted one at a time. Use a plastic pipe of the correct size to seat each ring. The joint of each packing ring should be offset from the previous joint by approximately 90 degrees. Continue until all packing rings have been installed. Packing may be seated by lightly tapping the tool to allow the packing nut to be installed. Reinstall the packing nut. This should only be hand-tight at this point. Final packing pressure is set by adjusting the drip rate with the pump operating. Verify the pump shaft rotates. Some drag from the friction of the pump packing should be felt. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.